Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, Good morning, ma'am.
So let's start with our lesson 1, that is maps and globe. Concept 1.1, maps and globes. Okay. So, do you have any idea what is the difference between map and globe?
I'm gonna say globe is a
Adinath,
model of
Adinath,
globe is a model of Earth and map is a
yes, Adinath.
globe is a model of Earth
Hmm.
and map. Something like and globe is used. It is very difficult to use. And
Yes,
map is easy.
that's the first difference, right? Map, that is very easy to carry, like this, right? Like this, it's very easy to carry and it's very easy to learn about our states or our countries, about our earth. It's very easy to learn. But about globe, it's very difficult to carry, right? It's very difficult to carry. That is the first difference. Then, Sreya, any other difference?
Map shows the detailed information,
Yes.
but globe does not show the detailed information.
Yes, very good, very good. Varada, any other difference? Yes.
About maps and globes,
Yes.
map is easy to carry and globe is
Yeah, other than that, another point that is map is two-dimensional, right? And about globe, that is three-dimensional. Another difference, right? Yes, just win. Any other point or any other difference? It's easy to carry. Map is very easy to carry. Yes, it's two-dimensional. Yes, no problem. Arfan, any other difference, my dear?
we can see the whole earth at a time.
Map or globe?
Map.
Okay, very good, very good. Abel, any other difference, Abel? Yes, Irfan, thank you. Then tell me, is there any other difference between maps and globes? Or map and globe?
Small model of the Earth.
Very good. Globe is a small model of our Earth, right? Because both our Earth is oblate sphere and it's exactly like the globe is exactly like our Earth. It's a model, right? Very good. Very
It
good.
has its own axis.
Yes, very good, very good. All these are the certain differences between map and globe, right? This is very important question. Please mark this topic as very important, a sure question for your exam, okay? Difference between map and globes. As a table, it's in page number 3 and 4. You can mark there. It's in page number 3 and page number 4. Sarah have a guest, right? Somebody is with her. She is also learning, right? EVS2, nice time to learn EVS2.
Ma'am, she's not going.
No problem, no problem. Okay. Okay, please mark. It's in page number 3 and 4, differences between maps and globes. That's very important. Yes, as a table. It's also there in your workbook. Very sure question. Please mark. Yes, okay. So next is my turn. Okay, I'm going to draw. Look here. Just imagine the circle as our Earth. Okay, this is our Earth. Shiva, is there any particular name for this line?
Equator.
Equator. Very good. This is our equator. And this equator is the horizontal line, right? This is not a vertical line. This is a sleeping line or a horizontal line that divides our Earth into two equal parts, right? Two equal parts. Anna Maria, this
Yes.
part is known as
North Pole.
This part is known as equator that divides our Earth into two hemispheres.
Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer.
No. Look here. Everyone, listen here. Okay. Look here. This is our Earth and this is our equator. This equator divides our Earth into northern hemisphere. This is the question. Okay. Northern hemisphere.
To me, your sound
and
is very low.
southern hemisphere. southern hemisphere. So look, our equator is a latitude that divides our earth into northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Any doubt, Anne Maria? Now it's clear, right?
Ma'am, to me your sound is very low.
And Celine, is there any problem with my voice?
No,
It's
ma'am.
audible, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Anne Celine, this is a question for you. This is our earth. I'm going to draw a line like this. Is this a vertical line or a horizontal line?
Horizontal line.
Horizontal line. So it's a big mistake. Look here, everyone. Just a minute. Okay.
Ma'am,
be quiet.
vertical.
All of you, please be quiet. Please be quiet. Okay. These lines are our horizontal
Horizontal.
lines. Okay, horizontal lines. They
Horizontal
are
sleeping
also
line,
called
ma'am.
as sleeping lines.
Lion.
Okay, sleeping
Not
lines.
lion, ma'am.
And these lines, Anselin, please look. These
Vertical.
lines are called as vertical lines.
lines
and
Standing
also
line,
called
standing
as
line.
standing lines.
Right,
Okay,
standing line.
standing line. And these lines are called as latitudes. These lines are called as latitudes.
Latitude and longitude.
These lines are called as longitudes.
Horizontal are
Latitudes.
Yes. Is that clear, everyone? So horizontal
latitudes or
lines are
longitudes?
equator,
Yes.
Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. All these are latitudes. Okay?
equator has very hot.
Yes, because it's near to or the sun. What's the reason for that?
Because equator receives the vertical lines of the sun.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
That's the reason.
Ma'am,
Yes,
equator is raised, vertical raise.
yes, that's why. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay, so I'll draw. Anselin, this is a question for you again. Okay, so is this a latitude or a longitude? Others be quiet. Anselin?
Longitude.
Longitude. Very good. Look here, my dears. Everyone, long lines are called as longitudes. Actually, long is there, right? Longitudes. With this longitude, L-O-N-G. The
Ma'am.
first four alphabets, right? Long. So long
Ma'am.
lines are called as
Ma'am.
longitudes. It's
Ma'am,
simple.
actually, longitudes means long, but the biggest lines are actually
Yes,
latitudes.
yes. Look here. So here we
Because-
have
ma'am,
0.
because-
All of you, please mute yourself. We have 0-degree meridian, right? Is there any other name for 0-degree meridian?
Prime meridian.
Equator and Greenwich.
Prime meridian.
Prime meridian.
Meridian.
Which meridian and prime meridian?
Meridian.
And
What is the
Greenwich
reason
And
for
prime
that?
meridian.
All
Prime
of you,
meridian.
please mute yourself. Otherwise, I'll mute.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Sapna, what is the reason for this? We call 0-degree meridian as Greenwich meridian. Is there any particular reason for that?
Equator goes on top of
Equator?
the Greenwich. The long prime
Yes, the
goes
0-degree meridian or the
over
prime
the
meridian
Greenwich.
that goes through a particular country,
America.
right? Greenwich and United Kingdom. That's why we call 0-degree meridian as Greenwich meridian. Look here, everyone look here. This is our earth, okay? Just imagine this as our earth. Suppose I draw a vertical line like this. This is called as prime meridian, right? This is called as prime meridian, okay? Exactly opposite to this, we have 180-degree meridian, right?
180-degree meridian.
So is there any other name for 180-degree meridian?
Ma'am.
No?
0-degree meridian. Prime.
Ma'am,
Yes, Sarah.
international date line.
Very good, very good. Look here, 0-degree meridian
Ma'am,
is
but-
called as
ma'am.
Greenwich meridian, and 180-degree meridian is called as international date line.
Ma'am, international date line is not straight. It will go like
Yes,
in a
yes.
break
Yeah,
and
yeah,
path
yeah.
between the islands.
You all know, right?
Any
Others, yes, please mute, my dears. Please
Okay,
mute.
ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So
ma'am,
can I ask a question? Okay. Dash run from east to west, latitude or longitude?
latitude.
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 How many of
Latitude.
you agree with this answer? Latitude. Please raise your
Yes.
hand. Okay. So Mohammed Amil, this is a question for you. Dash run from north to south. Mohammed Amil.
Longitude.
Prajwal. Longitudes, right? Yes. Very good. Very good.
Ma'am, that question is easy.
Very easy. Okay. So it's
Ma'am,
time for
ma'am,
your test. All of
silly,
you, please
ma'am.
take your rough book. We are going to write something. Okay. Make it
And
fast.
don't give us question answer.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no, no.
Ma'am,
Simple
those,
questions.
ma'am,
Yes.
the questions
One word
you
questions.
asked,
Okay. You can
Ma'am, the
take screenshot.
ma'am, the
want,
questions
please
you
take.
asked right now is very easy, but the
Hmm.
questions in the workbook as the question answers, that's a little hard.
Then
I
I'll
think
make
because
noise.
you
Okay.
have
Look
luck.
here.
Now you are conducting.
Yeah. Now me. Yes. Take your rough book. Okay. The most important question, that is difference between maps and globes. Okay. That is a very sure question. You have to learn that table.
I know, ma'am.
Ma'am, how many of them we need to write?
Ma'am, globe is small.
Just write the answers.
Only write the answers,
Yeah,
ma'am.
ma'am.
You can take the screenshot. Please mute yourself. Be quiet and write.
Ma'am, to write the question.
No. If you want, you can write. No problem.
Ma'am, it's very easy because the option is there.
Yes, I know.
Ma'am,
Because I prepared the question paper, right?
Ma'am,
the second question there is one word.
The word globe comes from the dash word. Is it from a Greek word, Sanskrit word, Latin word? That's the question. You have to write. Mute yourself and write answer in yes. I already got your answer from your mouth, from your lip movement. I'm saying.
Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sarah?
Because it's so
Shall we write the question too?
No. You can take the screenshot and write the answers. Just write
Okay,
question
ma'am.
number 1 and write the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, any doubt, anyone? I'll share.
Ma'am,
Okay,
second question.
I'll share. Any doubt?
Ma'am, in the second question we want
Ma'am, I got.
Ma'am, we want to write that word. What is that word?
Arfan, be quiet and write.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Question number 2. The word globe comes from the dash word. Is it from Greek word? Is it from Arabic word? Is it a Sanskrit word? Is it a Latin word? You have to write.
Oh,
That's it.
Ma'am, I know like a globe
Ma'am,
is not
finish
in
every
Arabic
question.
because my father knows Arabic very much.
Ma'am, I
So I know
Could
it's
you
not.
please mute, be quiet, everyone, and write. Okay?
Ma'am, I
Just
finish
write.
everything.
No problem. Okay? Others, take time and write.
Ma'am, I also finished.
Then be
Ma'am,
quiet.
finished.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. Anyone there to complete?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very easy, right, Adinath?
Ma'am, when the longitudes have longitude, then we think that the longitude is the largest, but actually, the largest is the latitudes. Because in a reality, ma'am, because in reality, Earth is not actually a sphere; it's a black sphere. So
Yes.
those side
That's
will
the-
stay like this. So
Please
latitudes
mute,
are
dear.
the
Please mute. Others are writing.
latitudes are the longer.
Yes, yes. Please mute. Others are writing. Please.
Can you show the next slide?
Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Take time. Take time. Take time and write. No problem. Eva, finish? Finish, Eva? Eva Rose?
No, ma'am.
No, then please write.
I'm in the last question.
Okay, no problem. The dash dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Very easy.
Ma'am, finished.
Very good, Sarah. Easy, right, Sarah?
Ma'am, finish. Ma'am, it's very easy.
Very easy, right? But please check your spellings. That's also important.
Ma'am, these are very simple.
Yes.
What?
For a second standard or first standard students, right, Sarah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so let's
Yes, ma'am.
discuss question number 1. Dash is a two-dimensional view of a place. Anyone?
Map.
Ma'am, can I say?
Map.
We already
Yeah.
know. Yes,
Map.
yes.
Yes.
And let come from the word go
Latin. Latin word.
Latin.
Latin word. Latin word.
Third one.
Warren.
Map. Third one, map.
Varada.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Varada. Third question.
Third
Dash is
question.
easy to carry.
Map.
Okay. Now it's easy for me. Yes. John? Yes. John. Next question. Dash is spherical in shape.
Ma'am, globe.
Globe. Very good. Then the dash dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Joseph Nihal. The dash dividing the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. Joseph? It's not audible? I don't know. Isra?
Equator.
Equator. Very good. Equator. So how many of you got 5 out of 5? Okay, very good. Yes, very good. So next question for you. Question number 6.
Ma'am, you stop screen sharing.
Ma'am, I mistakenly write in the fifth question latitude.
No problem. The answer is also right, latitude. But it's all about the line, right? So it is
Longitude.
Adinath? Longitude, the prime meridian, 180-degree meridian, they are the longitude, the long lines, right? Here, look here, the question that is northern to southern hemisphere. So where is north? At the top. South at the bottom. So a line like this. Okay, very good. Please write.
Ma'am, the sixth question, we only need to write one name or all the names?
Write 2. Please take the screenshot, okay?
Ma'am, I cannot take the screenshot.
No problem. You
Because
can
I
write
am
the
in the
important questions or just mark in your textbook. No problem. Make it fast, okay? Simple questions are fun, right? Yes.
You can show the fifth question. I want to take screenshot. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the eighth question? Ma'am, finish.
Okay. Be quiet. Be quiet. Others are writing. Be quiet.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay. Please
Ma'am,
wait.
ma'am, wait a second. Ninth question is 0-degree meridian, right?
Be quiet and write.
My last question 0-degree meridian is.
Please mute, Adinath. Please mute.
I did not understand the eighth question.
8th
Ma'am,
question. Vertical
that
lines
is
that
not
join the
me,
north and south
Adinath.
poles are called. Is it a latitude or longitude? That's the question. Be quiet and write. All of you, please mute
Ma'am.
yourself.
One thing. In the exam like this, options are not gonna come, right?
Yes, of course, yes.
So why are you telling we need to get a practice, right?
Yes.
Without options. So why are you saying like options?
Because
I'm
this
finished.
question that
We need
is
to get
for difference between maps and globes. Adidev.
Okay, ma'am.
Then only
Ma'am.
you can learn which one is map, which is for globe. That's why.
Ma'am, finish.
Okay, very good. So let's discuss question number 6. Everyone?
Ma'am,
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
science question, we need to write only one name or two names.
One name. So let's start. Prajwal. Yeah, no problem, no problem. No,
Yes, ma'am.
please quiet. Yes. Yes, Prajwal. Question number 6.
Yes, ma'am. Question longitudes.
Dash
Longitude.
dividing the earth into eastern and western hemispheres. Equator or prime meridian?
Prime meridian.
That's the question. Okay, please change your answer. Prime meridian. There. Devadarshan. Horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator are dash. Horizontal lines. Devadarshan. No. Parvati. Horizontal lines drawn parallel to the equator are
Latitude.
latitudes. Very good. Please check your spellings. Then Arfan, next question. Vertical lines that join the north and south poles are called?
Longitude.
Very good. Then last question for Abel. Dash lies opposite to 0-degree meridian.
180-degree meridian.
180-degree meridian. Very good. Okay, you can take screenshot if you want. Okay. Okay, next question. Yes. International date line is also called as dash. Okay. Dash run from east to west. Question 13 and 14, please look. Make it fast, please write. Now what's difficult for you, right? That's why I already gave slide 1 and slide 2, map and globes. Had fun, right? All of you, Parvati, Devidas, Devadarshan, Annabelle, Lyle, please switch on your videos. Then Rohit Krishna, please. Laya. Make it fast, Henry. Easy, right? It's writing. Irfan, Shreya, yes, Parvati. Annabelle, it's easy, right, Annabelle? Is it? Yeah, yes. I know. Finish?
Ma'am, it is very hard.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
It's very easy,
ma'am,
right?
first question I was very confused. What was
Ma'am,
at
finish.
the deadline
Very
called?
good,
Then
Sarah.
I got the answer. I was so happy.
Ma'am,
I got
finish.
it.
Ma'am, finish.
I have a doubt in the second question and
Hmm.
third.
Ma'am, this
Ma'am,
isn't
we
hard
can
at
write-
all.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the
Ma'am,
fourth
finish.
question.
Fourth question we will discuss. Okay.
13th
Okay.
question.
Ma'am, finish.
Difference between maps and globes? Ma'am,
Yes.
it's simple. Ma'am, I
Simple.
have doubt in 11th and 12th.
11 and 12. Okay, look here. This is Earth. Sorry. Look here. This is our Earth, and here we have north, here south, here east, and west. Okay. Can you please answer to this question?
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. So let's discuss first one. And we
I
are
need two different
international date line is also called as
In which meridian?
sorry. International date line is also called as
Which meridian? I think so. Ma'am, can you share the screen? I need the
Sarah.
is telling it is Greenwich meridian.
Ma'am,
International date line. Yes, Sarah.
international
180
dateline
degree
is
meridian.
also
180
called
degree
as
meridian. 180 degree
180
meridian.
meridian.
180 degree meridian. Very good.
That's easy.
Yes,
So
ma'am. That
international date line is also called as 180 degree meridian. Next question. Dash run from east to west. What's the answer?
latitude.
Latitude.
That also very easy. I got it
Hmm.
correct.
Third question. Dash run from north to south.
Longitude.
Longitude.
Correct. Longitude.
Longitudes. Very good. Then now it's a different question.
23.5 degree.
23.5.
Right.
23.5
23.5.
Ma'am, this I have a doubt, so I left it.
I'll tell you. Look here.
I also left it.
No,
Yes.
I didn't.
Look here. This is our Earth. This is our Earth, and our axis is like this. It's not a straight line, right? Axis is a line that's not a straight line like this. Yes or no?
Axis is a line that Earth is
Please, look
revolving
here,
around the
everyone.
sun.
Yes, look here, my dears. This is our Earth, and our axis is not like this. Okay, it's like
landing.
it's little bit tilted, right? Like this. Okay, so suppose I draw a line like this. This angle is 23.5. That's the answer. Okay.
I got the answer.
Any
Ma'am, I
doubt?
also got the answer.
Anyone?
I already studied this one.
Okay, so please note the answer 23.5 degree. Then
Ma'am,
last question.
when I see the question, maps can provide detailed information. Globes does not provide.
Can I say that?
Ma'am, I don't understand at all.
Eva, can you try Eva? Any one difference between maps and globes? No. Shiva, are you there?
Map, we can carry map easily.
Easy to carry. Yes. Then
Globe is
Difficult.
not difficult to carry.
then one more point. Shiva, one more point. Any other difference? It is two-dimensional and the globe is three-dimensional. Is that
Ma'am,
clear? Adidev,
Then, ma'am, when globe, we can see globe on one side, only one side when we.
is that
but-
clear? Adidev, any doubt? The question is write any two differences between map and globe. So in the case of
Ma'am,
map, it
I
is
wrote-
two-dimensional and globe that is three-dimensional, right?
Ma'am, I
Yes,
wrote
it's there in your workbook. Very good,
Ma'am,
Sarah.
I
Isra,
wrote-
yes, good work.
Ma'am, I wrote map is easy to carry, globe is difficult to carry,
Very good.
and map is a drawing of the earth. Globe is a
It's a
small
model.
model of the earth.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, so
Ma'am,
that's all about
ma'am,
today. Take care. Bye bye. See you in the next class.
Ma'am, I love to make it complicated.
Okay, then I'll prepare. Okay.
Not very complicated, but if it is an easy question, I will make it
Question paper
complicated.
is already fixed. Okay, so take care and bye bye. See you in the next class.